In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drawing in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This process is perfect for those moments when you need to annotate or add a personal touch to your PDF files, whether it's for work, school, or just some creative fun. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to open the PDF file you want to work on using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you haven't done this before, all you have to do is launch Adobe Acrobat Pro and then use the Open File option to select the PDF you plan to edit. Remember, having your PDF document ready is crucial because it sets the stage for the creative adjustments you're about to make. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention to the tools on the left side of your document. Here you'll find a variety of options that allow you to interact with your PDF in different ways. You'll want to focus on the Draw Freehand button. This tool is quite intuitive and, as it suggests, allows you to draw freehand anywhere on your document. It's definitely the go-to tool if you're aiming for that original, hand-drawn feel in your work. Simply click on it and you're ready to let your creativity flow directly onto the page. Now, with the Draw Freehand tool selected, you can begin drawing directly on your document. Keep in mind that your cursor has now turned into your drawing tool, so any movement will result in lines or shapes forming on your PDF. This is your chance to sketch ideas, annotate documents, or add visual details just the way you want them. Feel free to experiment with your strokes. The beauty of digital drawing is that you can always undo and try again if needed. Beyond freehand drawing, you can also utilize predefined shapes to enhance your document further. Navigate to the toolbar and select the Shapes option, which includes circles, rectangles, lines, and more. These shapes can be ideal if you're looking to create structured annotations or highlight certain sections without the variance that comes with freehand drawing. To place these shapes into your document, just click on the shape you want and then click on the spot in your PDF where you'd like it to appear. You can drag to adjust size and placement according to your preference. Combining the freehand drawing and shape tools can create a balanced and comprehensive editing experience. Adding drawings or annotations to your PDFs can be incredibly useful and, with Adobe Acrobat Pro, surprisingly easy. By following these steps, your documents can transform from simple files into interactive canvases. Whether it's for annotating, creating learning materials, or simply doodling, breaking the monotony of straight text and adding some flair has never been easier. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to draw in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Thank you for watching and be sure to check back for more tutorials soon.